Good evening, traders. Welcome to the stream. Good evening, traders. I think the today's stream is the very smooth this stream, and you can see this. I think today's stream is the very smoothly playing. Yeah, guys. So let's talking with this our trades level. So I think I'll explain it. What the price happened, what will happen to the morning, because the today morning live stream is the very boring for the very lagging also. So I thinking I'll come. I think that's the today live stream. This time live stream is the very smoothly playing, guys. Please comment it. So let's explain the what's the market actually that time do. Okay, just open my pen. It's talking about the trade psychologies. So live stream is good, guys. My voice also clear, I think. Sorry for that. Let's explain the market structure. So we are coming on that the time. Okay, that time. So that time we are coming in the London session live, and price was creating this type of pullbacks, and price was continuously going up the price, and I we are thinking that we are entries above this zone. Okay, we are entries above this trend line breakout. This trend line. Okay, so that time we are thinking about the this plan, but price was breaking out this zone. But that time our the stream was not good, so we are not entries one zone. So and the price was pullback, and that's the 1 minute also A plus is there. So I am thinking I am told you will be risking over this zone, and you can see this the price was we are going with the 1 minute A plus area, so price was going the very good up to this zone, and price was some pullback. I am also told this in the live session stream in the London session, and that's our break even was market was out our position, and market was fully pumped from there up to the 200 pips. Price was goes up to this our this area, and market will be now continuously fall to this zone. So we are waiting for this our this A plus level, because that's the market. Everything will be here. I know, understand that, but we are not trading here. We are only trading on this zone because that's the pullback area. Either it will be not respected by the market, so it will be more falling up to the very big gap price in the downside. So we are thinking about some short scalp entries for the gold. Okay, so that's now the plan for that time. So you can see this just forward. Mm, you'll understand that very good. I think everyone see the chart with the very smoothly. See the chart, guys. So let's go. So that's the A plus was price was tapped. That's the 1 minute A plus. Price was goes from there. That's the 1 minute A plus. Price was tapped from the price was like this type of pull up to this zone. And so that's the support area, and that's the zone for the price was that 5 minute buying zone is that the price was reacting like this. So that's the candle was printing like this, and how many Rix candle is there. So we are let's see this. As many pips will be. That's the 5 minute candle was the 130 pips. So that's the not right thing for trade here. So that's just wait and watch. You can see this. That's the 15 minute A plus also that. We also see this. That's the 15 minute A plus also. So price was start from here, and price was that you can see this how you trade about this area. What's the beautiful candle was print right now. You can see this, but you can don't trade about this area. The beautiful candle was print on this zone, and price was pumped like this. So we are not trade on this zone, so we are waiting for that, because that's a big bar candle. That's a more than 100 pips plus candle, guys. 100 pips plus candle. You don't trade above this the candle. So we are wait for our good areas, and let's see how the market will be do. The market is the very fast and the very volatile right now. So we are find a good opportunity for the markets, because this market is not a very risky. You can see this how the market will be pumped from here, and we are waiting for this zone. The market will be trapped the buyers also. The who will risk this, the thinking the price will be goes from here. The retails was always thinking the price was very momentum is the bullish, so price will be goes from here. Everyone thinking about it, that this. So we are not thinking about this. We are waiting for our trade level because we are already in the profits for this week, because the Monday was the continuously market was in the sideways zone. So we are not trade today, yesterday. So we are waiting for that, and that morning was starting very good. So we are waiting for the good confirmation A plus level setups. And you can see this, that's the structure will be print here. That's the 15-minute A plus actually playing here. So that's why the price will be pumped from these types of 15 minutes areas. And this the pumping about the area is more than 120 pips in the single candle. So we are don't trade our like this. That single candle confirmation candle is this. Okay, this is the first candle, it will be retested, and how will be confirmed on this area. That's a not good moving zone. You can see this, that's a more than 120 pips candle. So for the confirmation, to the real move already do that. So we are not trading on this area. So we are waiting for the good confirmation. Okay, guys. We are waiting for the good confirmation. So that the move was already done. We are going with this. So price was react the very cool about this zone. So we are don't trade. Okay. So we are just waiting that time. Okay, guys. I'm told you. That time we are just waiting. Otherwise, that time I have no trade. Here we are coming at the price on this up to this area. So we will find a good entries. I think 1 hour. It's the 1 hour A plus zone also, and that's the small 1 hour A plus playing like this, guys. That's a small 1 hour playing like this. Okay, you understand this? A small 1 hour playing like this. So it's a 1 hour zone also. The price was reacting the very smart about this. But you can see this, that's the candle have no confirmations areas right now here. But so we are waiting for that. The confirmation will be main things. Whether you don't trade and no levels right now here. So let's see how the market will be behaving their these positions. So that's the 15, that's the 1 hour playing like this, and that's the also the pending 5 minute. I think that's the more criticized order block zone. So I want the price at come to this zone. It's very good for that. So we are waiting for this, okay? We are waiting for this areas. So we are setting the peak area up to this area zone. You can see this, that's the golden area also. So that's why the price was, that's the TGL1 buying area, and that's the TGL2 buying area. So we are thinking about that's the price at now the TGL1 buying area. So there have been no level at this time we are find, okay. So 5 minute we are going with this. So that's a one small kind of zone is that. So price was respectfully this zone for the selling, for it's the good for our trade. That's the TGL2 selling area right now. But I am not going with the selling entries for the gold right now here. It's going for the good area. So it's respectfully, it's the respect the gold selling zone. So it will be okay. That's a TGL2 selling area also. Okay, guys. I am told about this. That's the TGL2. That's the TGL2 selling area. It's the respectfully. So it was be some correction the price, and price will be goes from there, because that's the invitation for the new buyers. So I don't think so. It will be not respected. It will be breaking out this zone up to these areas. That's the order block area also. So it will be respected over this zone and pull back here. So we are going with the this candle lows. Okay. I think that's a pending area also for gold. Okay, so we are waiting for this, okay, with the confirmation trade. The simple trade logic we are planned, and market is not very fastly moving today. Very fast market is that. That's the TGL to buying area is that. Selling area also is. It is now the selling area. It is now the small selling area, but So let's see how the market will be react over this zone. Okay, its breakout have no issues. What a good buying actual guys. A 1 hour buying. But you don't trade here. You understand that first. You don't trade here because that no more confirmation candle will be here. Any kind of confirmation candle. So that's my institutional trading right now here. So we don't trade like this. So we are waiting for that this zone. Either that's the zone is that. That's the 5 minute I think. That's the 5 minute order block zone. But this time selling is a very fucking wrong thing. Okay, I don't want for the selling in price. I really don't want the selling price. We are want only the buying entry level. Otherwise, that's a 15-minute small buying level. Okay, a selling level. So let's see how the market will respectful. This zone was respected. It's now our level. Okay, what the price bullishness you will understand. It's a good, very good. We can tap our level. And you can see this, that's a rejections. So we are wait for that. This is a good candle. So that's the liquidity also. Okay, that's the market. That's the market liquidity. Understand how the price will be sell off from. But that's the confirmation candle we are want right now here. That's a very risky guys. 1 hour candle closing in the last 15 minutes. This 15 minutes is very important. So we are wait for the 15 minutes. Why are you telling you guys? We are wait for that. This trend line was this the all-time high as today closing. So price was more bullish for to the 4,7,500, 15. The price definitely going today this point. So even it's going up to its potential up to going the for 800 guys. More than this type of potential will the price have the breaking out the new session. But that's the 1 minute good candle closing. You will understand that. So it's a good candle closing. So why telling you guys we are reached that areas? The 15-minute candle open and it go for the top wick also done the top wick. You can see this. It's creating the top wick. Beautiful candle react from this area. OG candle. The OG traders be paying, but it does that can you can see this. So we are take a small risk above this area, guys. You tell me about that's the no. Just the candle indication is the very bad. How many rigs also from here? We are risking this. So we are reached the 25 pips, guys. Price will move more than these types. And our target for this candle loss. That is now the good area. So guys, we are taking one risk, okay? We are taking one risk. Because don't take risk, so don't trade for the will sort the market. Because that's a very A plus TGL2 A plus selling area also that. So I'm thinking we am selling here, okay? The price was reacting very very smoothly from this zone. That's a good confirmation candle, so I going for this, and I only reach the. So you can see this price are price at the entry level. So you are going with this, so you will entry on this zone. That's your entry level. So we are taking 25 pips risk on a stream. So let's see this, and we are target for the 100 pips. That's the 1:4 trade, and let's see this how the price will be happened. Okay, we are entry for the short entries, and price was goes from the good A plus level. That's the risky, very risky trade. I don't suggest everyone to take the red, but it's a risky trade for the reversal because the more many levels are spending right now behind there. But you can going for the S8 London session, London session liquidity. Grab the London session liquidity. So that's our unfavored trade also called. So we are accept the 25 pips risk. For our candle have a no top. Market is now the very volatile. So we have small scale risks for the 25 pips. Let's see the how price will we do. Okay. Okay, let's go out. The 25 pips SL for a day. Okay. We are accepted. We are accepted. Okay, guys. I know that's the market structure opposite. The market structure will be very bullish and market will be goes from the very good structure, a good level from the pump. And that's the London session high liquidity. So market will grab the liquidity first. Okay. And it is the all-time high liquidity. So it will be grab this liquidity and sell from here. So it will be okay. And also that's the this order block zone here. So it will be sell from here. Okay, and either it will be pumped from here. Okay, it's only the stop hand, guys. You can see this. We are hit. We are what the fucking hell are doing. That's the only stock one. The 1 minute candle, you can see this 50 pips candle. The single 1 minute candle is the 15 pips. Imagine that. That's the normal print price. So let's wait for this time. Okay. That's our setup only last. We are see the market here. Either it will be breaking out this zone with a good confirmation candle, it will be pushing up. So we are going for this candle. Okay, guys. Otherwise, we are want the short the market from here. I think the market will be some selling off for the out this of impulsive buyers. The impulse who is the insider the entries for the series. The market will be very bullish, and also the same thing also be here. It's a pulling back to the upside. I think market trap the also, and that's the seller will be inserted. So it also outed here. Who will be invited the sellers? The sellers will be invited, it's already exit from the market. So this is the now fresh movement and only invited the buyers here. So I think trap the buyers from here and market will be more falling up to this zone and market will be real move soon can this level here. So that's my acceptation. I don't know that will we do or what, but that's only acceptation right now we are in markets and experiential call because that's the market only create the liquidity here. You can see this guys. That's the that's the buyer's liquidity also here. So it trap this and it will fall for this. So that's the liquidation and also the seller's liquidity also here. You can see this. Ah, that's called the liquidity harm. Okay, the price was goes from there. That's the London session high liquidity and 88 all-time high liquidity also this. Okay, and it is the all-time high liquidity. So it will be sell off from here. We are expected. So so let's see how the price will be happen. Just watch the market right now. And I'm told you this level not expected by the market. It's breaking this zone. It's a very good breaking out zone also called. It's the entries and stop loss for the 300 pips. So it will be price was more than that time. 16 pips. 1 is to 2 was price already done. And it will be going the 100 pips trade. But we are not take this trade, so not we are count. We are only count this SL with the 80 pips minus 80, 80 pips minus 25. How many guys? 65. 50 pips is 5 pips was remaining. Okay. So we are don't take this trade. Right now we are not entry, but price was come at the same level. So we are thinking for the good entry. So this 15-minute candle was closing, you can see right now. And 1 hour candle also closing. The beautiful structure is that also. So that is now the pending level. Price was coming in the definitely level. You can see this price sweep. This is the all-time high liquidity. Price sweep is the all-time high liquidity, and it goes from the good level. The plus level is that the 200 tips buying will be come from this. No confirmations. And that trade can good confirmation tender. Is that now very high? I told you that's going for the new get the new all-time high again. That's the previous all-time high. So it's getting a new all-time high. Okay guys. So we are fine only buying entries. That's a new based. That's the fucking things. We have read about the that's the very wrong things. We don't want this and price was indicate the price was very bullish. So we are fine right now. Good buying entries. That's the way price was some pullbacks and 1 hour candle was open also. 1 hour candle was get already top week. So that the 1 minute pullback that time we are want. Okay. That's the TGL to buying areas play very good. This TGL to buying areas play very good. We are entry with this, so it's a very good price will be found from there. More than 100 pips TP will be we are done. That's my mistake. We are fucking take this the selling trade. We are not take the buying side trade. That's my mistake, guys. We're enter a target for this and it's very close to the target. Hmm. Come on, price up. Pullback for the price was going. It's the real move will be do, so that's why it's going from this area. No entries. Hmm. No entry, just price was move over TPs. I'm told you the price was move. I don't execute my trade. The fucking hell, guys. I don't executing my trade. That's why the 4 hour candle open you will be see the gap ups only gap ups opening in the gold. What? It's create a historical all-time high. It's a historical all-time high. Price was great. Price at now the 4 hour candle is open. It's create a top wick. Some sell off we I want. Good candle is but we pullback entries for the buying. I think that manipulation will be good. Come on, price to come at this up to this plus zone. The 4 hour candle open and create the top wick, so price was moving like this. So it's the heavy AP is also there. Beautiful sell up in the NYC session. More selling from here, I think. Good, it's great, good. Come on, good. That's the 15 minutes buying zone. Some more inducement. So that's the level. Price was respect, so it's okay. That time the selling is the very risky, guys. I'm again told you. This is the 1 minute A plus buying area. So price was come to that area and get a good type of this type of candles, but definitely interest for the buying side. Okay, and either it will be directly bleaching this zone. So we are going for the short entries. That's a two level entry areas is that. And inside of few areas, you will be also the good area for the price right now. That's the why the ceiling will be calm. You understand, guys? That's the why the ceiling will be calm from here. That's a 4 hour candle actual open and it will be goes for the top wick and it will be coming for the bottom wick. So it's the one that's a 4 hour A plus buying zone. So we are want it's a good rejection from this time. So it reverts to indication. So we are accepted and that's the previous RBS level is that okay. That's the previous RBS level. Price goes from here. You also buying entries from there. There were no issues. And either is your level. The 4 hour coming for the bottom week, okay? And it create a bottom week. I think it's going for the top week. The bear market is very bullish at this time right now. The how many risks on these areas? So we are risks up to the first one up to this zone, and we are going for this the candle high. It's a more than 130 pips area, guys. But definitely we go with this. So we are risk free also here, okay? So that's the 30 pips. You will be risk free also. Very impulse. Very fast market will be risk free or trade because market will be very fast at this time. Risk free trade also is that. That's the price was moved 30 pips. So it's the continuously sustain above this area. So will be very fast move. Price was moving the very fast. Okay. So it's the sustained here. So you will be accepted. Okay. OG. So you will be risk free or trade fast. That's the 40 pips candle. Is that 50 pips candle is that the same one. You definitely booking here. No more any talking about the sets. It definitely booking here. You first booking here, guys. I'm told you. Very market fast. Market is the very fast right now. Very market should be fast for me. Just for that, you don't take a bigger risk right now. You don't take a bigger risk. Risk-free trade. The price was more than 15 pips. You can now. It is now the 15 pips plus. You can see this. You can see this. So your 25 pips SL already risk free. That's the 60 pips, 65 pips trade. So that's why I'm told you the market is a very impulse risk free of trade. 50 pips, and you can going with the original SL points. Okay, that's the 30 pips you can risk first. You can going with the 30 pips, and it is a risk free trade. There are no risks right now here. There were no risks right now here, and price was more than 15 pips. It's the 30 pips candle closing. It's the 65 pips here. You can see this that the 65 pips candle was the price was moved. So it's already 1 is to 2 done. So you can reduce your SL for the 25 pips only, but you cannot set your break even here. You only set your break even up to the sweep this the our TPs areas. Okay. The market is a very fast moving on this zone, okay? And you only going with the real SL point. You don't set your break even, okay, guys? And your 25 pips SL already in the profits you are now. Right now, that's a 48 pips in the profits. So hold your profits, and you will be half lots will be booking here for your risk free. The price and you going with the 25 pips SL, we are first taking risks of the 30 pips, and right now we are risks at 25 pips. So we are going with this. Okay, guys. Please, you like this type of trades, please like and subscribe our channel, guys. Please. You can see this price again in the 60 pips areas. Okay. You like our content, so please like and subscribe this channel, guys. You also join our community. Okay. I'm going with the very small lots because market is the very volatile right now. So we are going with the small lots. Okay. So let's see this. So 65 pips is now 65 pips plus. That's the previous target level. Price was goes from there. 75 pips, I think, is that 70 pips on a stream. There were no risky trade today. It's potential for the going up more upside. Hold your trade. You only reach the 25 pips with the risk free trade. So that's called the risk free. You will be lots booking on this level. And I again told you, your half lots will be book here. You don't book your lot, so you will be book here. You will in the already profits. You will already in the more profits level. So you will be book your profits on this zone. Okay, half lots will be booked. That's quantity you use. So your half quantity will be booking here. Okay, guys, because that's the market is a very volatile. So that's why the very spiking will become. So that's the easily get our XL 25 P. So we are don't take the any market opportunities. I am going with our good trades because our trades in our favors. The price in our favor, so we are going with our good trade level. Okay, we are already in the 15 pips plus profits. You can see this 65 pips. How many pips will be goes from your 75 pips? Is that that's the 75 pips profit on a live stream, guys? So we are going with our TP, guys. Okay, hold for this. It's very bad candle will be print here. It's very bad candle will be print here, guys. That time this candle we are don't want. This candle was we are don't want. Your TP will set for the 130 pips, so you will be already in the very good profits. That trade profits we are get. So that's a 30 pips. This the SL also power, and you also in the more profits. You can see this. That's the 90 pips profits. How many pips is that? 95 pips on a stream, guys. 95 pips on a stream. 95 pips on a stream. That's the profit level, guys. Profit booking level. You will be 80% book quantity here, so I'm told you. You will be 80% quantity book here. Just for 2% you will be remove your level and you can set your break even, okay? So you'll be relaxed. There were no risks on this time now. So it's a risk free trade. You will be 80% book here, okay? The price set in the 85 pips already done. And that's the price momentum. And who want going with the small risks, so you will no more risks on this time. That's the price was moving the 100 pips again. That's the I think. Oh gee, that's the 100 pips on a stream, guys. That's the 100 pips. So we are going for the 130 pips. So let's see. That's we are on the all-time high liquidity. So we are wait for this. Okay, that's a good price for movement. The 100 pips in a stream, guys. I think you are happy. You will be maximum quantity booked here. I think that's the SL we are recovered. Hundred pips price already done. You set your break even and you forward your trade. You set your break even. On a stream, guys. Ooh, beautiful candle. W start this week. It's 10, 100 pips in a price right now here. So we are going with the 130 pips because the highest liquidity we are want. So we are waiting for this. Neither we are complete our stream today. Go and check this type of check. You called us the sniper entry guys. You told about this. You called sniper entry. See, remove the alert. You forget about the alert. How you see this? That's called sniper entries. What about this? You will forget the error calculation, but you will understand that's called sniper entry or what? What the sniper picture? What the sniper picture, guys? So guys, I am exit from this trade because I will trailing as well from this area. So that's I am have the 110 pips in a stream. So that's a good day done for the day, guys. You go and check your stream and how the price will be moved from there. So that's the trade, guys. And told you that's the you can what you learn from this the stream. That's the no more confirmation. That's the explanation for this. It's definitely going for the trail TP, but my trailing SL was there, so that's why it my I am exit from this trade. But it's the our TP is that original TP is that's the 130 pips. Let's say this for the everyone on the 100 pips. I want this trade, but let's explanation for this the day. Okay, so let's going with this. So that's the price was tap, price tap is this A plus, sorry, this A plus buying zone, buying zone. Okay, it is the 15-minute and 1 hour A plus buying zone. Also the 5 minute. The three major time frame zone is that. So it will be moving like this. It's more than moving. You will be understand this how the price was moving like this. Now more than this level is that you can see this that's a 417 and price was goes 4147, more than 300 pips buying, guys. 300 pips buying in the 6 p.m. 6 p.m. to that how many, that's a 6, that's a 45 piece price was me move in the 45 minutes that the price was moved. Okay, 40 price 45 minutes the price was moved more than like this. 45 pips, 45 minutes in the move the 300 pips on up to this zone. So we'll understand what that the good zone is very important. हम लोग क्या इससे समझ पाते हैं, अंडरस्टैंड समझते हैं. सो लेट्स तो इसको समझते हैं अच्छे से. हाँ, तो दैट्स ए एक जोन था, सॉरी व्हाट द कलर, ये एक जोन था, ए प्लस जोन था ये. ओके, ए प्लस बाइंग जोन था. ओके, सो इट्स ये टैप हुआ एंड इसका बाद इसके टैप होने के बाद ये जो कैंडल आया ना, इसका स्ट्रेंथ आया था 150 प्लस. आई विल चेक यू इन योर हेड. ओके, जस्ट यू चेक दिस फर्स्ट. दैट्स द 150 plus candle is that. So that's the a 120 pips candle is with the print in the single time. That's the candle was print in the we are thinking about that's the 100 pips candle. We thinking about the 100 pips candle, guys. That's the 100 pips candle was print 100 pips plus. So that time we are not we are retail. Okay, we are retail. So we are don't take the 100 pips risk in a candle. Okay, so हम लोग क्या कर सकते थे, वेट कर सकते थे. You don't take entries and you can see this, that's the one TGL2 buying area is that. That's my mistake. I am not entries for the buying side. You can see this, that's the TGL2 buying area. That's my mistake. No one can going with this because why, we are lose ourselves this trade. Okay, so that's why we are losing this the more than 200 pips trade, 25 pips. That's the SL point is the 25 pips. Okay, 25 pips we are SL from this because that's the TGL2 buying area is that. So it's the market was showing it was the going downside. It's maybe going downside, but it's not potential because that's the tab, the good zone and price will be moved from there. So that's my mistake. I am not going with this. So let's explain this. And the third time you will be see this. This the third time the price will be going with this area, this zone. You can see this. I'll remove this. You can see this the candle breakout zone, this zone This the one, two, three, four candle will be breaking out this area. So it's the first breakout, and that the second candle was pullback up to this zone. I'm told about that this will be breaking out. So we are entries about the pullback, but I'm not entries. And second time it's already entries. The price was more than moving the 100 pips plus buying side. That's the more than 500 pips plus moving for this side. And you can see this, that's the grab the liquidity also. So that's our trade like this, bro. And price was going for the new all-time high. That's the price created the historical all-time high. Gold at now the 4750. Good, gold create a new all-time high. देख लो guys, मेरे सामने ये हुआ, जो भी बोला वो भी हुआ इधर से. So you will be see this, that's the 100 pips trade was gone. So प्राइस यह हमारा ए प्लस बाइंग लेवल था. सो टीजीएल 2 का ये स्टैप हुआ, ये फिर से इधर से गया है किधर देखो, ये मोर देन गया था. इट्स गोइंग मोर देन हाउ मेनी पिप्स आई टोल्ड यू, इट्स मोर देन 180 पिप्स. ओके, इट्स मोर देन 180 पिप्स. इट्स मूविंग मोर देन, इट्स मोर देन मूविंग, it's more than moving 180 pips. It's the more than 180 pips moving. Okay, guys. So let's explanation. That's a 180 pips moving from this area, and price was sell up from here because why the selling off is coming on this zone? Why the it's the create new all time high at this time? It's creating a new all time high. It's made creating a new all time high, and it also again the all time high creation. You can see this. Market is now very volatile. It's our I'm told you the price was moving this same like this. Grab the all time high liquidity. So you will understand this. Uh, so let's expand this. It's formally down this our A plus river RBS level. That's our RBS level. Okay. And the breaker block also called also breaker block, and I am waiting for this A plus also. Oh, what the sale of guys in Goa price. The big selling of what the candle print, you can see this. What the sale of guys. What the sale of. Exactly same thing do and the same candle will be here. What the kind of things. How the selling guys. Single candle giving more than 150 pips plus. The single candle. So let's explain our this trade setup. So that's our RBS level, and I am second option is that is my second option, second plan. Okay, so that's the A plus buying area for that time. Okay, but price was respectfully this RBS level and create a good candle, the good green candle. The green candle will be created. Okay, so that's our confirmation candles where I am entry over this one, and price was moved like this up to the 130 pips TP is given very easily. So so that's our plan, trade plan, and how the market will be right now. You can see this. I am out from exit from the market and wipe the every buyers right now. That's the market manipulation, guys. That's the trader liquidation, and that's a single candle was print, and it the liquidate the full buyers for the 130 pips buyers. 130 pips. This the price was moved. That's the buyers was exit from this market. So let's explanation. That's my trade explanation. It's going for this the good candle area and tap, and it's a good confirmation candle. I'll entering for the re-entry level pullback candles. So I'll take the 30 pips risk on this. Sorry. I am reached the 30 pips for this 30 pips risk I will take on this zone, and price was very goodly moving from this our area, and I will be 50 pips price was moved, so that's why I'll be risk free my trade also. So that time it's going very good our this liquidity zone, and it will be create a new all time high. I am also told you the 4 hours going gold was going for $7,500 today, and it's already come. And how the selling candle will be, the single candle will be print, you can see this. It's already I am told about this happening अब इस ये होने से पहले मैंने ऑलरेडी बहुत बता दिया कि गोल्ड कैसे मूव किया था इधर. So you can forward our video, you can back our video. So you will be, I told you that's the things will be playing in the today markets. It's already doing here. So hacker guys, hacker lobby it's called. It's not called everyone trades. You check my stream, so you will be understand how the things I am and how that I am told you and how the market will be reacting. Okay, you will be see this our stream. So that's our trade plan. It's a good trading. So OG for the day, and it's called the sniper entries or what? And how the beautiful sell off also are here. The beautiful selling will be come from here, and it's a perfectly sell from the tick at 47500 exactly. It's sell from here. So it's new create a new all time high. The price all time high. So this A plus was played, this 15-minute A plus was pending, and that's the extreme A plus for that day. And otherwise, that's a day, that's the buying area is that. So you will trade also here because that's the intraday level. That's the intraday level is there. The potential is the fourth. The price was more falling up to this zone. And that by the very gapping price. Price was continuously buying for the whole day. Okay, price was continuously buying for the whole day. So that's a more liquidity for that. So 15 minutes time frame it's coming for this area, 15 minutes buying zone, and this beautiful candle was print right now here. The single 1 minute candle was liquidation for the many, and price was fall from here. It is now the this A plus. It's very close our this very A plus area, and how the our beautiful trade also guys, huh? You respect for this type of trades. You respect for this type of trades, guys. Single candle is TP give, and the third candle was first, second, third candle was fully reversed the full trade. But the beautiful sell off from this zone. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful. Please like and subscribe this for the respect, my respect for this. And subscribe our channel to you can want this type of trade. So you will be subscribe this channel and also like this video and comment here. So that's my challenge also here. That's the trade. And I think today was video problem also solved here, guys. The good selling. That's beautiful seller form. We are capturing the cool gold move, and it's instantly selling from this zone. It's more potential for the going down. It's tap the A plus buying area, and I don't know it's how to get this zone. That's level expected, so it's okay. Otherwise, it's the more falling. You can see this. The multi order block will be here. It respects, so it's okay. The price is going for the upside. Otherwise, market will not respect this area, so it will be convert for the selling side right now. In the NYC session, the price was sell from this zone. Okay, this candle is the very important. It's closing above the green candle, so it's good for your buying setup. Will be here also. So done for the day, guys. It's the doji candle. I think how's the candle color? It's the black candle. Okay. It's a red candle print. It's a red candle print. So it's a good buying candle also print here. Okay. So respectfully this candle was closing with like this of type. You definitely blindly you can buy here. Its candle was closing like a green candle. Otherwise you don't buy here. That's your confirmation first, then you going for your buying entries for it's the very good buying entries for that, and you can set your target for this highs. Okay. First target is that, and you're telling yourself trailing target for is that. The 15-minute A plus buying zone is tapped. So this 1 minute candle is very important closing in the green. So we are taking one trade also here. Okay, with the small risks. We are take a small risks also here. We are take a small risks. Okay. A small risk we are taken on this because the market. Oh gee guys. Oh gee. That's a small risk I'm told you. That's a very small risk is that you will be risk only the 30 pips is that 25 pips you also and price was moved 440 pips guys. What you tell about this? That is your 1 is to 3 is there. 80 pips target is the 1 is to 3. So you can 1 is to 3 it's your trade guys. It's your trade. It's a single candle giving you book your profits here. You book your profits here guys. That's the true trades. That's our level. Price was trap confirmation candle. It's going. It's going on. Going on. How the oh my god guys. How the good buying. Oh my god. Single candle giving you target guys. Single candle giving you target. You can see this single candle giving you the 80 pips target right now, yeah. That's the 1 is to 3 easily. Oh my god, you can see this, guys. But the beautiful level will be playing in gold for the buying side buys. That's your target level. 100 pips is definitely given. It's your 100 pips target level. So we are waiting for the 100 pips target level. Okay. It's the single candle giving you the 1 is to 3 trade. So we are going for the 1 is to 4. Single candle giving this. You can see this. You can single candle giving this 1 is to 3. So you can that is your 1 is to 4. That is your 1 is to 4. Single candle target guys. That's a single candle target. How am I marking my label? You can understand. You can see this in market guys. The single target level that's why I told you. You'll book your profits over this one. That's my target level and price was hit over. And that is your 1 is 100 pips target. That's the level for waiting. The single candle will be giving you the target. But I am one. The single can OG level, guys. That true level was awesomely playing. Market is playing respect very good. So, guys, what you tell about in the comment section for this type of trades? We will be uh, some knowledgeable from our stream and you can some help from my side. And so please you can like and subscribe our channel, share with your friends, grow our community. And you can want this type of trades. I will daily come consistently. I am coming the daily for the London session and the New York session. So you will want this type of trade. So definitely join our community for the Telegram for the information for the levels, trade levels. So you will be join us in the Telegram and you also subscribe and like this channel. Okay, guys. So that's done for the day. Let's see you today, tomorrow morning London session stream. So done for the day. The good session will be is bye bye guys. Good night guys. The single target we are give beautiful trade that we are pick on this area. Okay guys, see you today morning London session. Please you will be interested for to learning this type of levels every day. So that's the two levels, that's the 130 pips and it's the 180 pips. So more than 200 pips and that's the 80 pips repeated. How many pips today? You will count and comment section you can tell about this. And that's the level I will mark and how that level will be playing. And we will trade up two levels. Beautiful level. Also, I'm told about the this level. I am removed it. That's the level for I am going also there. That's the level I am going also for this my SL on this zone. This level is that the TGL on two buying area is that So you can going with this. So how many pips you will be trade will be? That's the level I am marked first. Right for this sale, I put my selling entries, and price was moved from there. So I am be going with this buying, this bias for this time or the candle. You can see this. The market is the boom for the buying side levels. So we are risk only the 25 pips for this candle, for this 25 pips risk on this the candle low. Okay, that's how we are reach the 25 pips risk for this trade. So we are going for the 100 pips target. So it's already one more trade is here. I don't take this because I am going through the price was pullback entries, and that's the liquidation, and price was moved the real move. So I'm wait for that. So that's the 1 2 3 trade for the trade. But I don't want. I actually want for the this type of confirmation trade, but the three trade was playing like this, but it's not playing every day, guys. In the real truth, I am telling you, it's not play every day like this type of trades. You don't pass the every opportunity. Your every trade plan was not every day playing in markets. So that's the things. That's the main things. So consistent is the very important things. Okay, you'll understand guys. So good night. Enjoy your profits. Who will be profits? Please spam it, and you'll be informative for our video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Good night.